This is the new model from Google that creates videos and is good with physics, real-world physics, and also is very good with audio. So we're gonna take a look at this previous video that is with Veo 2. So here is the video with Veo 2. As you can see, pretty good. He's a panda driving under the rain with gold necklaces and chains. And now we're gonna take a look with Veo 3. Keep in mind, Veo 3 comes with the Google AI Pro subscription, $19.99 a month, or the free trial. That is the one that I'm gonna take a look at right now because of Veo 3. So prompt to video with audio is pretty much the big deal. So now with the same prompt, we're gonna take a look on this video. As you can see, it has better audio and everything is a little better generated, but I actually prefer this Panda more because it's a little more realistic, but we're gonna take a look on that a little later. So let's jump straight into Veo 3. As you can see, just jump here into the video section. I don't have any ideas, so let's use ChatGPT to help us. I'm gonna say just find Veo 3, just for us to have a little context here. And then with that, I'm gonna say, give me 5 good prompts for 5 scenes I can put together later. All right, here you go. Google's Veo 3. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna make several of these windows as well. So at least we need 5 windows. Okay, let's take this prompt here. Now we're gonna take this prompt to the next one. Prompt 2. There you go. Let's jump into prompt number 3. Prompt number 3. Prompt number 4. And prompt number 5, finally. All right, so now we're making 5 videos at the same time. Let's take a look here. All right, let's take a look at this video. We're gonna take a look at video number 2. Okay, so here we have video number 3. Here we have video number 4. And finally, here we have video number 5. And that's pretty much for Veo 3. I'm going to put all of these videos together and I hope you enjoyed. If you have not tried this yet, I would recommend you use the free trial because this is a huge breakthrough in AI video, prompt to video and audio. Have a good day.